Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 2664. Everyone talks about being strong, be mentally strong, be emotionally strong, be successful, be confident. But here is the problem. A lot of people are trying to be strong on the outside while they are completely struggling on the inside. They push themselves too hard. They blame themselves too much. They feel like they are never doing enough. So the question is, what does real strength actually looks like? The Prophet ﷺ said, the strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. And then he gave powerful advice. Strive for what benefits you. Seek help from Allah and don't give up. And he added, if someone happens to you, if something happens to you, don't say, if only I had done this, but say, Allah decreed it. The hadith is full of balance. The hadith shows the strength in Islam is not just physical, it is a mental strength, emotional strength, spiritual strength, the ability to keep going, stay grounded, handle setbacks, and at the same time, stay connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because anyone can push forward, but not everyone can push forward without losing themselves. Most people are trying, they are working, they are dealing with pressure, they are handling expectations, and when things don't get their way, they become hard on themselves. They think, I should have done better, I messed up, I failed, and they keep replaying the past again and again. That what if thinking, it drains you, it keeps you stuck. That's why the Prophet ﷺ said, don't get stuck in if only. Because if only keeps you in the past, it doesn't fix anything. Instead, accept what has already happened. Not as defeat, but as something written by Allah. This doesn't make you weak, it makes you mentally free. You stop fighting the past and start focusing on what you can do now. The hadith gives a very balanced formula. Strive, put in effort, rely on Allah, don't depend only on yourself. Accept outcomes, don't break over what you cannot control. Most people miss one of these. They there try without tawakkul, rely without effort, or regret without moving forward. But real strength is combining all three. So what can you do? Start simply. Focus on what you can control. Make effort even if it is small. Stop replaying past mistakes. Trust that Allah's plan is bigger than your understanding. And most importantly, don't give up on yourself. This hadith teaches something very real. Strength is not about never failing. It is about continuing to try. Staying connected to Allah and not letting the past break you. Because in the end, a strong believer is not someone who never struggles, but someone who keeps going with trust. If you want more hadith explained in a clear and practical way, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs it. Assalamu alaikum.